Hey everyone, it's me, Johnson, and welcome to Toca Life Farm Family Farms Stories. Make sure to subscribe for channels at the end. And now enjoy the episode. Oh man, I was just too pleased to watch these golden crops grow, but they're still taking a long time. Yeah, that's what I said a long time ago. Oh, maybe we just need to water them a little bit more. Wait, they just growing right now. Thanks, little lamb. My son, you're just like How about we plant some potato seeds? And okay, here's a potato for you. You wanna try it? Taste is delicious. I love potatoes. Farmer Betty, could you please help me put all of the lambs back into their playpen? Yes. Subscribe and get a notification every time we post a new video. Do that now.